Hey YouTube, how's it going? So, in today's video I'm going to be showing you a little utility that Intel now offers. I don't know when it came out, but I don't know if you're like me. I hate having to go and update individual drivers because I find Windows Update will get, probably bulk of them, at least 50% of them, but I find it's not perfect. And from running this utility, I did find on my desktop computer that there was still some updates out of date. Obviously now it likely probably isn't going to show that there's any updates, only because I've already went through this. I liked it. It was really easy. You just have to click a few buttons and you'll be good to go. So I know I hate going in through here and then having to go check the manufacturer's website to see if there is an update available. So like my NVIDIA drivers, they update through their software, but let's go ahead and take a look. I'll take you to the page. So all I ever do, essentially all I do to pull up their website for it is I just search Intel Driver Support Updater. And since you can go to either one, you can come to this web page here. It gives you all the information. Like what's new in the new versions. I currently have this installed on my machine, but once you come to this page, just hit Get Started. Yep, so as you can see here, it's saying there's nothing, it just scanned, but there was a few on here that had to be updated previously. As you can see here, they're the ones with the check marks beside them. This one wasn't installed until I ran this, only because I have a discrete GPU, so by default the motherboard shut off my integrated graphics. I went in to turn it on because I wanted to utilize the QuickSync technology that my CPU has to offer, being that it is a Core i7. But what will happen is, so for example, say there is a driver, it'll list the ones up at the top that you need to update, and it will give you an option beside it to download and install. Like download, it'll let you download it. Once it's downloaded, just click install. It'll launch the installer and do everything for you. And anytime really that you're updating drivers, it probably wouldn't hurt to just reboot your computer afterwards, just to make sure everything's good, up, functioning. Now, I'm well aware that there is third-party applications that I can buy to do this for me, but I'm not really big into some of those third-party ones that are available, because I find they just don't work, or they're buggy and glitchy, or they just don't have a very good reputation in the first place. And this is something that you could turn off or completely uninstall after you use it once. Say maybe you just don't like it. It's easy enough for you to go ahead and just uninstall the software right off your system. But it's probably going to be something I'm going to keep on my system and just check it when I go through and check my regular drivers, make sure they're all up to date. So I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, don't forget to hit the thumbs up, as well as don't forget to subscribe. If you got some information you want to add or you just want to say hi, leave a comment in the description below. I try and check those as frequently as I can. As well as all my social media links can be found in the description of the video as well. And when you hit subscribe, don't forget to hit the bell notification to be notified when I go live, I upload, or I post to the community page on my channel itself. Again, I will see you in the next one.